Let's talk about thread cell tape, PTFE tape. If you put it on and you keep getting a leak, then I have some information that might be able to help you. Just for your information, it's a connector for irrigation. And I got the PTFE thread cell tape here. First, make sure you're putting the tape on it the right direction. And it'll be clockwise. Put it on clockwise. So if you're getting a leak from the thread, if you only put a few wrap on it, try putting more wrap. If you only put like 3 or 4 wrap, then try putting like 6, 7, or 8 wrap. If you're still getting a leak, then maybe tighten it a little more, but don't tighten it to the point where it might break. If you already have a lot of wrap on it, like 7 or 8 wrap, try putting maybe 3 or 4 wrap. And then if you're still getting a leak, then maybe tighten it a little more if you're not gonna break anything. If after doing that you are still getting a leak, then I'll tell you something you could do. What I just told you, I experienced that myself. So what I did is I got these Blue Monster PTFE thread tape. After using these, the leak was fixed. So if this white thread cell tape doesn't work, maybe try getting the Blue Monster, because it worked for me. Let's take a close-up look at this Blue Monster.